Use ingredients you trust while making cooking more fun. The Panasonic Meat Grinder. The all-new Panasonic Meat Grinder grinds meat faster than ever before. It can grind a large amount of meat in an incredibly short amount of time. The secret is Japanese blade technology. The blades are made in Seki, Japan, a city famed since antiquity for its fine swords. Panasonic's engineers have selected the ideal blade angle for efficient cutting. To grind a high volume of meat with high speed at once, Panasonic has created the Japanese samurai blade, the ideally curved blade to cut meat to the quick. Another feature is the grinder's powerful motor. The DC motor operates at a maximum of 3,500 watts to produce outstanding torque. Volume remains ample in many different conditions. Yet even with all this power, the Panasonic meat grinder is low noise. With its powerful yet quiet performance, the Panasonic meat grinder can make mincemeat that is like fine strands of spaghetti. The Panasonic meat grinder comes with 3 different cutting plates. From rough grinding to fine grinding, they do it all. Use the included attachments to make sausages, cub, and a wide range of other delicious foods. The new design is stylish and extremely easy to use. The dial lets you easily select among 2 rotation speeds and reverse. Simply twist to detach parts for cleaning. And the included tool makes cleaning a snap. All the attachments and the electrical cord store neatly in the body of the machine. Use ingredients you trust while making cooking more fun. The Panasonic Meat Grinder.